feel taller. I was talking for you, Sarah. Yes.
Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
This is... Wow. I am so excited. Okay guys, here we go. Woohoo! Wow. Wow, the catch is so nice. It is completely silent. Here we go, backward. Woohoo! Woo! And back to the station. Wow! Oh my god. This is honestly the first major coaster that I ever did in my life that was like a real thrilling coaster. I really love that it still has Swedish signs here on this ride. Wow, the feelings are great. Back in the day it was yellow and grey or yellow and blue at this bay, and I think you can see in some of the pillars you can actually see the old color. So that's great. And if you only watch this on-ride video of Triops, I recommend that you watch the full vlog here from Bagatelle or any of the other one from our channel, Coaster Stuff. Thank you. Woo!
Oh, we go high.
This is my number 141, 141st coaster. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. This is going to... We're getting closer to 100 for you. And this is not part of the trip, as we said, so this is +4 from the original count, and +4 for Sarah, +3 for me, since I have ridden Hangover before.
What is that?
I think this is a spinner. I'm not sure, by the way. It is a spinner?
It is also at the park.
Oh yes, it's a spinner. It spins a lot. Oh my god. I hope you like this second on ride from the vlog. That way you can look at Sarah. Here we go, first drop. Woo! I think we're gonna start spin now. No, not yet. If I'm not wrong, I think this is an accent.
Take this place.
Oh my god, that speed is insane! Wow! I did not expect that. Wow! Oh, this is fantastic! I love this! Wow! I don't know. I wonder which number this is on the trip. Wow! Oh, that's a great spin. It looks like pretty new trains here. Oh wow! Oh my god!
That was intense.
That was some intense spinning. Wow! Oh! Ooh. Wow! That was so much fun. Again, I didn't expect that. I expected a spin, but not like that. It whipped at us. I feel like whipped cream.
Yeah.
Wow, that was coaster. I don't know what at the trip, but we have done plenty now. I don't know. We got some safety instructions in French. It was probably something like put your hands and kids out of the train. No. Okay, so this is Spirale Express here at Bagatelle.
And we're sitting quite a tight there.
These two little lift hills. Here we go. gonna do this again.
Yes.
This was almost as thrilling as Hangover.
Yeah, almost.
Yeah.
I'm a little scared of this height too.
Yeah. But the thing is, this is how we vlog today. We do action vlogging. This is... Ooh, that little screen. It's like, that was empty. Whee! That turn is not very comfortable.
No.
Anyway, this is the third coaster of today. We have 2 more in this park. There we go. Okay, this is Gas Express at Bagatelle here in France. The last coaster of today. Check out all of the other ones. We're gonna go back and do some re-rides in Hangover, of course. But this is your number 5 of today and my number 4 of today.
Kind of loud.
It's very loud, shakily feel. Oh, the rollback system is very loud. But it looks like the track is newly repainted. Very pretty colors. You have some theming going on here with some waterfalls and water splashes. Here we go. Gas Express. I did not expect that. An indoor section. Okay. Wow. With some smoke and things. Woo! Not what I expected. Wow. We went. This is. I did not expect that. I had no idea what we were. Alright, one more time. I did not expect that. Wow, that was Gas Express here at Bagatelle. That was fun.
One more time.
One more time. Whee! Yay!
Okay, I'm gonna sit down this time.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold on to the first. Yeah, I went over. I kind of hurt my elbow a little bit.
Yeah,
I'm fine though. I'm gonna see if I can like do this because this one, I don't know, it's too close. That's even worse. No, I think like this. So it said in the weather app that it was gonna be 29 degrees today, so we have shorts. I think it's 19. It's only 10 degrees different. Oh, yeah, you know what I mean. Okay, I'm now holding on. It's warm, it's nice. I was so surprised with the theming. Yeah, the water is fantastic. Okay, holding on. That went better, it went better. Surprised me with the water. This is like, wow. Yeah, he used to do that. I like this. A nice little coaster. Everyone, that was the last coaster. We are not riding, we are not filming on the kiddie coaster. But everything else we have filmed. We're gonna go back and do some re-rides in Hangover.